Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to create and use Facebook Live. Facebook Live helps you to communicate directly with your audience, whether you are a person, business, webinar, etc. Live videos are essential if you want directly to communicate with your audience in the exact moment. Also, Live can increase the interactions on your page and number of your followers. Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leads here. Let's get straight to the point. First, log into your Facebook profile. If you're using Live as your profile, this is what you should do. Click on the Live Video tab. First step is to write down the title so people can know what they're watching. Second thing is, before you go live, you have to write a short description. If you want to add more value to the video, tag people, add location, and maybe some feeling activity here and there. Maybe even an emoji. It's optional, but go with it. That's the way you're letting your audience know what they're watching without any further steps or clicks. Live can be public or, like in the list below, depending on who you want to advertise, if it's just a small private party that your family wants to see, or if it's a great event you have to promote. Live video can be shared on your timeline, pages that you manage, or shared in a group. It depends on what kind of live video you're broadcasting. For example, you have a business that you want to promote personally. In example, you're a language teacher and you want your students to hear and see you. Using camera is the most common way of using Facebook Live. If the stream stops, the video can stop. Most of the time, if internet connection is not very good, Live will stop and that can ruin the whole experience of the video. So think twice before you click this tab on and off. The good thing is that you can share live video by getting embed code, and you can share it to the website, for example. As tabs say, you can broadcast live as a spherical video. Interesting if it's a large event, if you're in a large group of people, say a circus, concert, or even a political meeting. Some live videos can be really great and helpful, so be sure that you publish it after the live ends. Allowing viewers to rewind can help your customers, followers, or fans go back to your video. It can help them to see, learn, and enjoy something, as well as send the message you want. If you're teaching someone, the tab Start Screen Share can be very helpful. Selecting media and media source is part of Live setup, helping you to choose which microphone or camera you want to use. If you're connected more than one, be sure that you choose the right one. Use Stream Key. Setup is the same as for using a camera, with a slight difference where you have to copy stream URL, and in case you don't know what URL is, watch our social media language and expressions free video. So if you're using a streaming software, you can copy the streaming URL or key. If you're a gamer or want to become one, you can tag a game and even stream gameplay. If you have a paired encoder, Facebook allows you to use it. Live streaming limit is up to 5 hours. Dashboard gives you the insights of your video, place where you can add a poll to find out what your audience wants, edit stream or tag a game as mentioned. Stream health, place where you can see how your live video or stream is performing. Good thing when you want to slow down the interaction or to increase it. Graphics. You can choose among the offered ones or upload a graphic of your own by adding a URL into this part. Polls. Again, a place where you can advertise, ask your audience a question like, who would you like to see in my next live stream, or which game should I play next? Questions. Engage in exciting conversations with your followers by simply asking them some questions. Help. If you do not know how to start or use graphic, this is the place where you can find additional answers. Scrolling up or clicking on this pointer, you'll be able to connect streaming software and go live. Now it's time for a page live. So go to your Facebook page and click on the Live tab. Steps are pretty much the same as for the profile. Regarding page, you have a few more options like Go Live Now or even Schedule Live Video Event. If you choose Go Live Now, follow the next steps. Be sure that you type your title, short description, and if you want to promote location, use the pin tab. Emojis and feeling activity are optional, but may help improve the live appearance overall. Even though it is optional, don't be lazy and fill those blanks up. From this live producer, you can post live to pages and groups that you manage by one simple click, as well as share to pages groups. Now it is time to choose the age and location of your live audience. Be sure that you know your target group first. There's also a comments tab where you can decide who and how can someone comment. If you choose a schedule live video event, it can be a very helpful option, especially if you're managing the page all by yourself. You can broadcast only one video from one page at a time. Settings are the same as they are on the profile, but here you have a stream key that you can share, and that is valid for 7 days. So you can announce the event beforehand so the others can catch up and follow it. Set up the date and the time of your video. It's the same as for the event. People can join, check if they're interested, they're going, and even invite friends if you want them. See video How to Create Facebook Event. If you click on upcoming live videos and events, you'll be able to see the list of live videos that you prepared, announced, or scheduled. Additional details when you schedule your live is that you can upload cover photo just like for the event. But there's one more option. You do not have to schedule live as an event. But if you schedule it as an event, because of the Events tab, that can help you and the others see what's on the Facebook menu that week. This way, more people can tune in and watch your live. The great thing is when you're doing live from your page, you can use this URL so viewers can find all of your page's live videos in one place. When scrolling down, the same tabs will show up like on the profile. Additional is More, Featured Link. Great thing if you want to promote your web page through your streaming, for example a web shop or courses. Write a short description and add a link. When talking about the mobile version, it's pretty much similar to the desktop one, but less complex. One of the differences is whether you will use your front or rear camera and filters. At the very end, hit that Go Live button. So, good luck! Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.